Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Oni Bill. First, a quick look at the headlines. Abuja-Kaduna-Kano road to be ready in 14 months. ANFASSC boss calls for support for Chelle. US sanctions Sudan Army Chief Burhan over civilians' deaths. And now full details of the news. The Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, has said that the Abuja-Kaduna-Kano dual carriageway will be ready for use in 14 months. Idris made this known at the inauguration of the rehabilitation of Section 1 of the road Abuja to Kaduna rigid pavement on Thursday. While Section 1 of the road is from Abuja to Kaduna, Section 2 is from Kaduna to Zaria, and Section 3 is from Zaria to Kano. The Nigerian government has announced that any increase in telecommunication tariff will be capped at 60% following a request by telecom operators for a 100% hike to address rising operational costs. Minister of Communication, Innovation and Digital Economy, Dr. Bosun Tijani, disclosed this in an interview. Telecom operators led by MTN Nigerian CEO Chelle had earlier raised concerns over rising inflation, foreign exchange fluctuation, and soaring energy prices, which had driven up costs. And now we dive into the world of sports. The national president of the Authentic Nigerian Football and Allied Sports Supporters Club, Abayomi Ogunjimi, has passionately appealed to Nigerian football community stakeholders to rally behind the newly appointed Super Eagles coach, Eric Chelle. Ogujimi expressed that the ultimate goal was to secure qualification for the 2026 World Cup and to emerge victorious at the 2025 African Cup of Nations in Morocco. The ANFASSC national president expressed confidence in Chelle's ability to lead the Eagles to success, but stressed that the team needs the support of all stakeholders to raise their potential. And on the international scene, the U.S. government has imposed sanctions on the head of Sudan's army and de facto president, General Abdel Fattah al-Burhan, the Treasury Department said. He has been leading one of the two sides in the 21-month civil war that has killed tens of thousands, uprooted over 12 million, and pushed the country to the brink of famine. In a brief statement, the U.S. accused General Burhan of destabilizing Sudan and undermining the goal of the democratic transition. The announcement follows reports of the killing of civilians in the central city of Wad Madani in recent days. However, this was not mentioned in the statement. Up next is the entertainment news. Nollywood actor Yomi Fabiyi has claimed that late singer Mohbad's brother, Adura Aloba, demanded 3 million naira from him in exchange for the video of the singer and his wife Wunmi fighting before his death. He claimed that the said video captured the moment Wunmi pushed Mohbad down the stairs and he broke his neck. The movie star made the claim at a recent press conference in Lagos. He said he demanded to see proof if the video existed, and Mohbad's younger brother sent him a 3-second partly censored video. The actor said when he previewed the video, there was a violent argument in the background. He said he sent a petition to the Lagos State Police Criminal Investigation Department, but was later invited and told that Mohbad's brother was being impersonated. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Oni Bill. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, to get the latest news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.